everybody, today I want to share this awesome microwave cooker. This has been a game changer for me. It is super easy to use. As you can see, you can do 2 eggs at a time. You just lightly oil this, pop in your egg, put your cover on, and then pop this into the microwave. So it makes it so easy cleanup. As you can see, two things to wash instead of a whole pan, and it makes your eggs to perfection. Comes with this nice little booklet here, and I like that it tells you in here the cooking time. So if you like your eggs a little bit runny, it will tell you how you like them. So if you want a fried egg, it will tell you how many minutes, or you can also do beef burgers in here. So amazing, easy product to use, stylish, and it would make a perfect gift if you're looking for somebody. Check this one out.